Hello friends, myself Manoj. Today I am going to discuss the new topic. Name of this topic is decimal fractions. Decimal fraction is the most important topic for competitive examination. Okay. In this topic, we will discuss some other subtopics which are what is decimal fraction, conversion of decimal into vulgar fraction, next operations on decimal fraction. In this topic, we will do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of decimal fractions. Next topic, that is comparison of fractions. The question will be asked, okay, write down the ascending order or descending order of the following, which type. Okay, so in comparison of fractions we will discuss ascending and descending order of decimal fractions. Next topic, that is recurring decimal. There are two types of recurring decimals. First is pure recurring decimal and next one is mixed recurring decimal. So we will discuss both. Next, at last, we will do objective type questions, okay, which are important for competitive examination. Okay, so let's start. So first topic, that is decimal fraction. So what is decimal fraction? Okay, the fraction in which denominator, the fraction in which denominator are powers of 10 or powers of 10, it's known as decimal fraction. Okay, what is denominator? Okay, because this is basic algebra lecture. Okay, so question some student will ask what is denominator. Okay, so if p by q is the rational function, okay, then p is known as numerator and q is known as denominator. Okay, suppose I take 2 by 3, 2 is numerator and 3 is denominator. Okay, so fraction that means p by q form or 2 by 3 like this form. Okay, fraction in which denominator are powers of 10. Okay, suppose I take example, okay, 1 by 10. Here denominator is in which powers of 10 form, 10 into 1, okay, that is powers of 10 form. Okay, so this is equals to 0.1. Suppose I take next example, 1 by 100. Okay, this is, I can also write to it 10 into 10 raised to 2. Yes, power of 10, powers of 10. Okay, so the number of 0 or power of 2 is 2. So take decimal places. Okay, take point after 2 places, which is start from unit place. So 1, 2 and take point here, as well as suppose 1 by 1000, then this is equals to take point, that is decimal point after 3 places, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, so point here. Okay, so decimal fractions like this. Okay, as well as suppose 99 by 100. Okay, 99 by 100, so we can write it as 0.99 because 20 here, so we take decimal point after 2 point. Okay, after 2 point. Okay, next suppose I take example 7 by 1000. Okay, so here number of 0 are 3, so 7 0 0 1 2 3 3 places, point here, 0 here. Okay, which is more easy if you practice. Okay, next topic, that is conversion of decimal into vulgar fraction. Okay, so first we discuss what is vulgar fraction. Vulgar fraction, that is normal fraction. Okay, conversion of decimal into vulgar fraction. So suppose the question is given 0.25. Okay, question is given 0.25, which is decimal fraction. Okay, convert this decimal fraction into vulgar fraction. So what we do, so here point is here, after point how much places, that is 1 2 places, so we divide 25 by 100. Okay, so this is equals to 25 ones are 25 fours are 100, so 1 by 4. This is the vulgar fraction. Okay, and this is the decimal fraction. Okay, as well as we take another example. So 0.5. Okay, convert this decimal fractions into vulgar fraction. So 0.5, here the place after this, that is 1 only place, so 10, so sorry 5 here, 5 by 10, so this is equals to 1 by 2. This is the vulgar fraction. Next topic we are going to discuss, that is operations on decimal fractions. So first operation, that is addition of decimal fractions. Okay, addition, for addition as well as for subtraction, keep in mind the place under each other, that is decimal point, lies in one column. Okay, decimal points lies in one column. Okay, suppose I take one example. Suppose 5.3 plus 227 plus 0.9, addition of these three decimal fractions. So what we do, we write 5.3, next point, what is condition, decimal point lies in one column, so 22.7 and 0.9. yes, condition is satisfied. What is decimal point lies in one column? Yes, this lies in one column. Now we are going to addition, do addition. So 7 plus 3, that is 10, 10 plus 9, that is 19, 1 carry on. Okay, 5 plus 7, 8 here, 2 here, point here. So addition of these three decimal numbers, which is 28.9. next I am going to discuss the subtraction of decimal fractions. Okay, so for subtraction, so I take 25.7 minus 2.5. so also condition for this, this is decimal points lies in one column, so 25.7 minus 2.5, so 7 minus 5, that is 2, point here, 25 minus 2, that is 23. Okay, next operations on numbers. Next topic, that is multiplication of decimal fractions. So multiplication. So for multiplication, we are multiplicate the decimal fractions without assuming the decimal points. Okay, without decimal points. So let us take one example. So 0.2 into 0.02 into 0.02. Okay, here numbers are 2, 2, 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now we count the decimal places from unit place. So here place is only 1, 1 2, 2 places, 1 2, yes, 2 places. So count addition of this, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2, that is 5. So take 8 at unit place, okay, and point after 5 places, 1 2 3 4, point here, okay, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4, sorry, 5, and point here, okay. As well as we take another example. So 1.2 into 9.1, okay. So we calculate 12 into 91, okay, first. So 12 into 91, okay, 12's ones are 12, so carry 1. 12's 9's are 108 plus 1, that is 109, okay. The whole number is 1092. So decimal place after 1 place, decimal place after 1 place, so 1 plus 1, that is decimal place after 2 place. So our answer is 10.92, okay. As well as now we going to discuss the division of decimal fractions, okay. So dividing, here we take example. So suppose 0.0204 is divided by 17. As usual, you only we are going to only divide 204 by 17. When we divide 204 divided by 17, then we get is equals to 12, okay. So here the decimal place after 1 2 3 4, after 4 places, so answer is, okay, answer is 12. Then we take decimal place after 4 points, so 1 2 place, 3 place, 4 place, point here, okay. Okay, like this we are going to divide the decimal places, that is division of decimal fractions, okay. Next topic, which are comparison of fractions, okay. Next topic, that is comparison of fractions, also known as ascending order or descending order, okay. For comparing of fractions, okay, we are direct divide numerator by denominator. So suppose here given 3 by 5, 6 by 7, 7 by 9, okay. And question will ask like this: arrange 8 in descending order, okay. So 3 by 5, 3 by 5 means, so we can't divide 5 by 3 because 3 is least, so we take point here, 0 point. Now 3 become 30, so 5 6 are 30, so 3 by 5 is equals to 0.6. Next number 6 by 7, 6 is less than 7, yes, so we take point here, okay. Now this become 60, okay. So 7 8s are 56, yes, 56 carry 4, 7s 8s are, okay. This become now 40, okay, because point here, so this become 40, okay. So we divide for 7, okay. So 7 5s are 35, okay, 7 5s are 35, so remainder is 5, so this become 50 now, okay. So 7 7s are 49, okay, remainder is 1, so leave this, okay. Now 6 by 7, okay. Next decimal fraction is 7 by 9, so for 7 by 9, 7 is least, so take point here, okay. Now uh, 9 6 are 63. Okay, 63. 9 7 are 63. Okay, now how much remaining? Yes, 7. So 7 becomes 70. So also 7 7 7. Okay, so question is, arrange it in descending order. Okay, arrange it in descending order. So for descending order, which is list? Okay, so 0 0.6 0 0.8 0 0.7. Okay, so descending order. Okay, sorry, not ascending. Okay, so this become 0 0.857 first, next 0 0.777, which is first, and next 0 0.6. So the descending order of this number is 6 by 7, next 0 0.7, that is 7 by 9, next 3 by 5. This is the descending order. Also, if this answer will this question is asked like this, arrange it in ascending order, then this number is first and this number is last. Okay, next topic. So next topic is recurring decimal. What is recurring decimal? So recurring, so decimal fraction in which all the figures, okay, all the figures after the decimal points are repeated. Okay, here decimal, all the figures after decimal point are repeated. It's known as recurring decimal. Okay, in content, that is in subtopics, I will already discuss. There are two types of recurring decimal. First one is pure recurring decimal, and next one is mixed recurring decimal. So what is pure recurring? No, sorry, first I am discussing recurring decimal. Okay, so I take one example. Suppose 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3, so this is equals to 0 0.3333. That is, this, what is definition? All the figures after decimal point, yes, this is decimal point, are repeated. Yes, 333s are repeated, so it's known right as taking bar on this number which is repeated. So 3 is repeated, so take bar on 3. Okay, next, suppose I take example, that is value of 5, that is 22 by 7. The value of 5 is 3.142857. okay, and also repeated 142857. okay, also 142857, repeated. So it's written as 3.142857. The set of these numbers, okay, is repeated again and again, so write bar on this number. Okay, so question arise like this: what is pure recurring decimal? Okay, pure recurring decimal, okay, all the numbers are repeated after decimal point. So this is pure recurring decimal. This is also pure recurring decimal. Okay, so what is mixed recurring decimal? Okay, so mixed recurring decimal, okay, I give example of mixed recurring decimal. So suppose 1.1733, okay, 33. After decimal point, some numbers are only repeated. Okay, not all the numbers. Okay, for this all numbers are repeated, that is 333 repeated. For this 14287, this set of number is repeated, therefore this known as pure recurring decimal. Okay, for this only 3, that is 0 0.17 not repeated, only number 3, digit 3 is repeated, therefore this known as mixed recurring decimal. Okay, this known as mixed recurring decimal. Okay, next, we take now some objective type questions. Okay, so first objective type question is the fraction 10127 divided by 1 lakh in decimal form is. Okay, is a so we can solve like this: 101 plus, now the number of 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we can write 27 as 27 and decimal point after 1 2 3 4 5 places, so 1 2 3 4 5 point here. Okay, okay, now we with we are going to addition of this decimal fraction and this pure number. Okay, that is a whole number. So 101 plus this, so 101.123 27. So answer of this question is 101 triple times 0 27. Yes, so answer option C is right answer. Now second question, when 36 is written in the simplest fraction form, sum of numerator and the denominator is, sorry, 0.36, not only 36 here, 0.36. okay, so 0.36, okay, we write it into vulgar fractions. Okay, for vulgar fractions, so 0.36 is equals to 36 divided by here places are 2, so divided by 100. Okay, now can we divide this? Yes, we can divide this by 4. Yes, so 25 4s are 9. Okay, 4s 9s are yes 36. Yes, so 9 divided by 25. Yes, this is the simplest fraction form. Simplest fractions form, this is nothing but vulgar form, vulgar fraction, both are same. Okay, sum of numerator, this is the numerator, and the denominator, this is the denominator. Sum of this, so 9 plus 25, 9 plus 25, that is 34. So option A is the accurate answer here. So next question, 337.62 plus 8.591 plus 34.4 is equals to what? So this is simple addition only. 337.62, only keep in mind the point in one column, so 8 here, 591 here, 34.4. okay, if you are confused, then you can take 0 0 0 here, because the property of decimal fraction is 0.8, this is equals to 0.80, this is equals to 0.800. You can take 0 after this number. Okay, so I take 34.4 as 34.400. okay, I can write, so 1 here, 9 plus 2, that is 11, 1 carry. Okay, so 6 6 12, 12 plus 4, that is 16. okay, so carry 1 here. This is 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 4, that is 22 here. 3 plus 3 6, 7 8 here, 3 here. So answer is 380.61, so 11. So answer C is the accurate answer. Next, so addition of this. Okay, so for this we add both and subtract this from this. Okay, subtract addition of this from this number, then we get the number. Okay, so 3889 plus 12952, this is the addition. I can write 0.000 also. So 259 here, 9 plus 2, that is 11. So 1 here, 8 9 10 10, so 0. So this become 3901.95. okay, so minus this question marks I take as x, this is equals to 3854.002. okay, here I am going to find the value of x. So x goes to this side, this is only this is negative, so when this goes to this side, then this become positive. So 3901.952, this comes to this side, then this become negative, so 3854.002. okay, so 3901.952 point here, so 002, next 3854, so 2 minus 2, that is 0, 5 minus 0, 5. okay, next this is 11. okay, this become 11, 11 minus 4, that is 7. okay, this becomes 9, 9 minus 4, that is yes, 4. So 47.95. okay, this is our answer. Yes, this answer is, that is question option D is the accurate answer. okay, next question, the multiplication of decimal fraction. okay, so 40.83 into, I'm not here for this question, I'm not assuming this these are whole number, I'm assuming that this is whole number, not decimal, in the form of decimal. So 4083 into 102. okay, so 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 8 2s are 16, 0, so 1 here, so 8 2s are 8, 0 0. Next for this 43840, so 6 6 4 6 141. yes, next into 12. okay, so 12 6 are 72, so 2 here. Next 72, so 9 here, 7 carry. okay, 12 4s are 48, so 15, that is 55, so 5 here, carry 5. Next 12 6 are 72, so 7 here, 7 here, 7 here, carry 7. Next 12 ones are 12, 12 plus 7, that is 19, so 9 here, 1 carry. 48 plus 49. okay, now for this. okay, so decimal places after which number? okay, so place 1, only 1 place, 2 place, 2 place. So decimal places after 1 to 5, that is 5 after 5 places, 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 here, sorry, this is not okay. okay, after 5 places, so after 5 places, so 49.97590 is the answer. yes, 49.97592. yes, this is our answer. Next question. So question is 0.36 expressed in the form of P by Q equals. okay, this is of the type recurring decimal places. okay, recurring decimal places, this is the pure recurring decimal places. For pure recurring decimal places, we take 36. okay, this 36 divided by 99, 36 divided by 9, so this becomes 4 by 11 when we divide by 9. okay, so answer should be 4 by 11. Next question, value of 0.5 and 7 is repeated, so we take bar on this. okay, so we know that when we divide this, okay, so we take 0.57 is equals to 57 point, which is not repeated. yes, 5 is not repeated, so minus 5. okay, so how many places? 1 2 two places. Okay, so we take 9 here. Which number is not only one number is repeated, so only take 9. If not any number repeated, so taken as 0, so 9 0. So 57 minus 5, that is 52 by 90. When we divide this by 2, then this becomes 26 and this is 54. Then we cannot divide, so 26 by 45. Yes, option C is the right answer. Okay, next question is here. So find the value of 0.1 into 0.1 into 0.1 plus 0.02 into 0.02 into 0.02 divided by 0.2 into 0.2 into 0.2 plus 0.04 into 0.04 into 0.04. So for this, these are three numbers. Okay, 0.01, three numbers, so power whole cube, plus this also three numbers, so 0.02 whole raised to 3. So when we observe, this is double of this, this is double of this, so we take 2 raised to 3 as common, and 0.1 raised to 3 plus 0.02 raised to 3. So this become cancel. Okay, this become 1. So answer should be 1 by 8, because 2 raised to 3 is equals to 8. So but options are in the decimal form, not in vulgar form. So divide 1 by 8, so this become 0. Here 1, so 1, so 0.1. yes, that is B is the right answer. When we divide this, that this become 1 to 5. Okay, next so this topic is now completed. Okay, thank you for watching this. Subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel. Okay, thank you.